Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Encanto espresso machine. Now for this machine we only replace the magnet that you see right here. This one right here. This one is a magnet that activates the grinder. Without that magnet, the machine doesn't know that the cover is in the closing position. So it's just to detect the closing position and then use the grinder. If you try to grind without that magnet, basically what's going to happen, the machine is going to ask you for that. It will wait for at least 30 seconds, and if you don't have the magnet, well, the machine will not grind and it will just go back to the regular menu. But if you have it, then the machine will start grinding. So for this machine, we replaced the magnet that you see right there. It took a lot for the manufacturer to send us the piece. We were originally trying to replace the cover, but when we got the whole cover, we find out that they didn't include the magnet that we needed. So we had to get the magnet separately, and it just took much more longer than it should have. So we apologize for the delay, but now the machine is working. As you can see, it's grinding properly. Nice, beautiful shot of espresso as well. Working really great. Now we're going to be testing the hot water of the machine. The thermoblock that is located on this side of the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the machine will start pulsing, the water pump will start pulsing through the thermoblock. It will go to the two-way valve that is connected right here and then out of the steamer. And as you can see, steady steam coming out from the one. Working great. And now we're going to be using the steam function of the machine. Now the steam function of the machine works very similar to the hot water function. The thermoblock needs to get up to the pressure, and then the water pump will start pulsing water through the thermoblock into the two-way valve and then out of the steamer one. Once the thermoblock reaches optimal temperature, then we'll see the steam coming out just like that. Excellent steam, really great pressure, as you can see right here. Working perfectly. And just to show you once again that the grinder is working. There you go, grinder working. Machine purging perfectly. And again, nice extraction coming out from the spouts. So there you have it. Saeco Encanto working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.